This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to pass the Mechanical Engineering Board exam step by step. Begin by mapping the syllabus and prioritizing weak topics with focused practice. Use a weekly plan that balances study blocks, problem solving, and short reviews to reinforce concepts. Track progress with small measurable goals and adjust your schedule when needed. Stay consistent, avoid burnout, and use active recall to turn study time into reliable exam performance. Warm up each session with core concept reviews, then dive into timed practice problems to simulate exam conditions. Focus on methodical solutions, clear units, and showing all steps for partial credit. When you miss a problem, rework it until the method becomes automatic and note any recurring weaknesses. Mix theory reviews with problem drills to build both understanding and speed for exam day confidence and reduce test anxiety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical exam tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It talks to your home and keeps floors spotless while you study, so you waste less time tidying and more time learning. It's a neat, hands-free way to protect your focus, and you can find deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a calm, methodical approach on exam day by scanning the paper and tackling high-yield questions first. Allocate time per question and use a watch to stay on schedule without panic. Present clean, legible solutions, include units and key assumptions, and flag lengthy problems to revisit if time allows. Stay hydrated, breathe between sections, and trust the preparation you consistently built over weeks of focused practice and review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.